with 13 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 ace, 8 digs. Abby, pinag-uusapan lang natin before the game kung gaano ka ka-uhaw offensively in this game. Pero hindi lang offense ang binigay mo sa team mo. Even depensa, you were aggressive, you were assertive. Mukhang effective yung naging routine mo before the game at na-inspire mo yung teammates mo.
Yes, definitely uhaw nga ako, diba? Kasi last game, wala ako masyadong bola. But then, today, Erica trusted me to give balls and we were able to run plays. Sobrang sarap ng feeling and tsaka nagpapasalamat din ako sa teammates ko, syempre, kasi minotivate din nila ako and inspire nila ako to bring the best out of me.
Ngayon naman, it's gonna be a do-or-die, winner-take-all Game 3. Ano ba yung magiging key para ma-defend nyo yung title?
Well, definitely, siguro, pag-iigihan pa namin yung blocking sa amin and deep floor defense namin. Also, service, kasi very important na maka-perform ka sa service ko para service pa lang, di ba, puntos na, and blockings pa lang, puntos na. So, yun. And siguro, isa din yung maglaro kami as one cohesive unit pa rin. Lahat magpe-perform, everyone will show their talent, everyone will contribute to the team para manalo kami sa Game 3.
Ngayon naman, Abby, may mga gusto kong batiyan, pasalamatan, and of course, invite mo ang lahat ng fans ng Petron na manood sa Game 3.
Ini-invite ko po lahat ng fans ng Petron, lahat na sumusuporta sa amin, na panoorin niyo po kami as we showcase our talent once again dito sa PSL. And sa hi po sa family ni Robert, Bolik family, kay Sir Bobby, and to my mom na sobrang supportive dito. At saka, visit niyo po yung Chang Abby's Cafe, ang aking business.
And thank you very much and congratulations sa Abby Maraño, ang MVP of the match.